Hey everyone, how's it going? So short video here. The Nissan NV 3500 van, the one that had zero power. Remember I said the exhaust was plugged up? Okay, so Jaden did do the job. I was in and out all last week and I'm gonna be out again. But anyway, Jaden did the job and sure enough, that's what the issue was. The front cat had blown apart like I suspected, and it went into the second cat and just jammed up in the pipe. So didn't have to replace the secondary cat, he just had to clear everything out of it because he said it was just completely stuffed up. So here is the old manifold. He had to do this outside, so give the man props. But here's the old manifold, and I'm just going to show you real quick. So here it is, and looking inside, yeah, you can see, whoops, I'm sorry, I'm trying to learn how to use this focus feature on here. Okay, but there, you can see, it's obviously free flowing, or free floating in there, but you can see it's all busted up. But he said it was kind of a nightmare. He said to get all the pipes apart, you had to drop the rest of the exhaust because everything's held in with studs. So like, even though you unbolted it, like nothing would move enough. So he said you had to unbolt the entire exhaust system, pull it back, pull the second section back, dump all the stuff out. He said the honeycomb was fine. Then to change that pipe, he had to jack the motor up. So, you know, he did all of that, but he got the job done. He said it ran perfectly when it was done. So it's, yay, thankfully that was a good repair. And thankfully that fixed everything. But yeah, we're just locking up the shop now. Okay. It's the compressor, just had to shut the valve off. Yeah, that's actually pretty much it for right now. I guess that's it. This is just a very short video just to give you a heads up on that Nissan. So I'm working on the Impala again. I'm on and off the Impala like all the time. So that's why it's not flowing with the videos for this thing. This bad boy right here. So that's why it's not flowing. It's just because I'm on it and off of it and on and off of it. And I'm missing a lot of work because of doctor's appointments. So, but anyway, that's about it. All right, hopefully you're getting something out of my videos. If you are, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.